painting the wall. We're doing a zombie wasteland apocalypse kind of rock and roll band theme. Starting to do the characters now, and hope you enjoy it.
Nobody move, nobody get hurt.
Take a look around, baby. Yeah, my whole crew's ugly, but we still.
It's been a long, hard job, and it's almost done.
But you know that you like what you see is what you get. Nothing more, nothing less. I'm killing, smoking chronic while you're choking on stress. Talk hands in the air, let me see you. Fuck you. Talk hands in the air, let me see you. Fuck you.
My fingers are sore from pressing spray can nozzles, shaking hands like crazy. My pecs not getting strong, and my testicles are much larger now from the lead in the paint. It's great to get all my crap out of this room and have it finished.
Dog hands and a packet of blackjack. Dog hands in the air, let me see you. Fuck you.